Hey, kindergarten art students from Ms. Amy's class. My name is Ms. Lisa, and I'm going to be your art teacher. Um, I can't wait to meet you in person, but until then, we will meet each other this way. And our first lesson is going to be based on shape. So let's just kind of go over some shapes together. Um, Oftentimes in nature, we find a lot of organic shapes. So the shape of clouds or the shape of leaves or trees, all of these shapes right here and way many more would be considered organic. They're kind of like free-form shapes. A different category of shape is called geometric. And these shapes often have um, uh, lines, whether they're straight or whether they're curved, like in a circle or a semicircle. And they often also have names. So, of course, you all already know that this is circle, rectangle, square, triangle, different kinds of triangles, and diamond shape, octagon, it's got 8 sides, hexagon has 6 sides. So these are more geometric shapes. What I am asking you to do for this art project is to either go with your grown-up on a nature hike or out in your back garden or a walk around your neighborhood and pick up things that you see in nature. So I try to walk a few times a day, and along my walks, I have found several different things. One of them was a stick in my backyard. Another one was a chip off of a brick, also in my backyard. This was a shell that I've had for a couple of years, which was on a shelf in my house. And all the rest of these are called pods. And I found them in my neighborhood because there's a ton of trees in my neighborhood and there are always pods there. And so for me, after I collected these things from nature, then I created a nature being. And what my nature being does is, this nature being is a cloud pusher. So with this stick and this rock, and with this mesquite pod, my nature being moves around the clouds up in the sky during monsoon time. And that's what I created with my things from nature. And I would like for you to create your own nature being, whether it's more human or more animal or more plant-like is going to be up to you. And you can give it a name. Mine is called Cloud Pusher, and you could give it a little story about what your nature being does. The last thing that I want to show you is this really cool book called The Art of Cleanup. And I want to show you 3 images. This is an image of star constellations. And next to it is an image of skyscraper, tall buildings that you might see in a big city at night. So it's sort of speaking to, this is how light is and how these beautiful stars are scattered, whereas these are lights that are very vertically up and down organized. But you can see the connection between the two. This I thought was fun. So this is a basket of fries with ketchup, and then next door to it is a very organized way of counting to 5 with these bunches of fries that are organized all straight up and down, all vertically, with the diagonal fry indicating there are 5 in one set. So the same fries here that are like fun and just jumbled up, whereas these are really straight and organized. And then the last one I want to show you is this fern branch. So in nature, of course, you would find it like this. But if you took the sticks and all the leaf kind of things apart, it might look like this. Okay, and that's kind of what we're doing with your nature piece. You'll be pulling things from nature, but then you'll assemble them, you'll put them together in a fun way. And if you could please have your grown-up help you write nature being and then your first and last name. Because I teach art, I have over 200 kids, so this helps me keep organized. All right, it is good meeting you online. I can't wait to one day meet you in person, and I'll see you again in a couple of weeks with our next lesson plan. Bye.